Hi and welcome to yet another video of this course. In this video, we are going to learn some commands which I have already printed out right over here. Okay, so the first command will be ls command, second command will be cd, third will be cd space dot and the fourth will be cd. And you might be confused right now, but there is no need to be confused. So we are in our root folder, and how do we know that? We can open up our finder or our file explorer and we can go to um, this my hard drive, and we can go to users, and this is my username, and this is the root directory. So we should be able to access all these files. We should be able to list out all these files. So how we can list out all this file, because I cannot remember names, so we can list out all the files and the folders by using this ls command, which is used to list out all the files and the folder. Really simple. So just hit enter and you will see all of these files. So let me match them. Android Studio projects, Android Studio projects, good. Applications, creative cloud files, desktop document download, and so on and so forth. So this is really cool. So we can list out all the files and the folders within of a by using this command ls. So really simple, really cool. Now how we can change a directory, like we are using, we can click on a folder and we can access all these files over here, but how we can do that in this command line? So we can use this command cd, which stands for change directory, and then we can specify, then we can write the folder name or the directory name. Well, let me tell you one thing. Folders are called directories in command line world. So I'll be calling directories all the time, so you will have to match them up. So now I want to go into my desktop folder. Okay. Oh, let me bring that really quickly. So I am inside this I am in my root directory and I want to go inside this desktop folder. So how we can do that? We can use this command cd, for which stands for change directory, and then I can write the desktop. Well, I'm not going to write com that completely, because we have a feature called autocomplete. So tab you can hit tab for auto completion, which I'm going to do so right now. So just say this tab and boom, this command line software terminal will autocomplete that for you, and then you can hit enter, and then now you are inside this desktop folder, which you can see over here. Desktop is already written over here. So how we can, so let's see what is inside our desktop folder ls, and boom, we have a file, uh, we have a text file, we have a 1 2 3 and 4 folders. Now let's go to desktop and see, boom, we have 4 folders and 1 file over here as well. So this is really working. Now how we can how we can move backward, how we can move one step backward? So we can use this command cd space dot dot to go one step backward. So I'm going to hit cd space and double dot, and then I will hit enter, and boom, I am in my root directory. Well, let's repeat a couple of things. First thing, I am going to list out all these files, then I will go inside desktop by using this cd command, and then I will list out all these files using ls command, and then I will go to contact lbta folder. And now how we can go back to the root level, how we can go back to our this some sort of folder, how we can go back? Now if we will use this cd space dot dot command, then we will have to write it 2 times. Okay, but let's suppose you are in a very deep level, you are 7 steps ahead of root level, then will you be typing cd space dot dot command 7 times? No, we have this command called cd. Yes, that's it. We can write this command cd and we can hit enter and we will be in our root folder. So I hope that it's all makes sense. And there is a one command that I would like to teach you in bonus, and which is clear command, which will clear out the terminal screen. Okay, so you can type in clear and you can hit enter and you will see the magic. Boom, everything is cleared up, everything is nice. So that's it for this video, and in the next video we will be learning about how we can make file and how we can make folder. So thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next lecture.